of my life. In darkest night you guide my way. Your mercy flows unending and true. I praise your name forevermore. Hallelujah, glory to your name. Hallelujah, your love forever reigns. I offer all in your hands I rest. You lead my life now and always. Though storms may rise, you stay with me. You carry me through every trial. My heart proclaims my faith